Hey Alice, I took a video of the ceiling fan with my phone, and it looked like it's spinning slowly or even backwards, but it was going super fast in real life. What kind of fan sorcery is this?
Haha. That's not magic, Hercules, it's all about the camera and something called the frame rate. Wanna go on a science ride?
Always. So what's frame rate? Sounds like a superhero squad.
Kind of. Every camera takes a bunch of pictures every second, like a flipbook. That's called its frame rate, usually 24, 30, or 60 frames per second.
Okay, so like 30 pictures every second. Got it.
Now imagine the fan blades are spinning super fast, like, faster than the camera can catch each movement clearly. So between each frame, the blade has moved a little, or a lot.
So the camera gets confused?
Sort of. It doesn't actually know what's going on. It just records what it sees at each moment. So sometimes, the blades look like they're barely moving, or going backward.
Whoa, like time travel but with fans.
Exactly. It's called the wagon wheel effect. The same thing happens in movies with spinning wheels, they sometimes look like they're turning backward.
Mind is blown. So the fan isn't slowing down. Is the camera playing tricks on us?
Yup. Your eyes see continuous motion. But the camera sees snapshots, and when those snapshots don't line up with the motion, your brain fills in the gaps weirdly.
That's wild. So next time I see a slow fan in a video, I'll just nod and say, classic frame rate illusion.
And I'll say, welcome to the world of science magic.
Thanks, Professor Alice. Let's go film more weird stuff.
Deal. Let's see what else we can mess with using science.